guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to my friend Sasha. She's gonna do my hair, so I'm gonna be her model. So let's go. Wonder what's going on with everyone. Your style I got changed today because Sasha got fix me. I'm gonna be her model. I'm supposed to reach there by 10 o'clock, but you know, typical girl, always late. But Sasha understand. You know, me and my son might do a little convoy inside here.
You alright, people?
Wish we could have played some music again. Copyright, me can't. Even if me play it, me have to go fast forward it and go on with myself.
Yeah, just so straight away. Don't give me no time for one.
I like it. These are girl me not fight over. So you know, it's a girl lost. Girl lost, you know, and here's the beautiful Sasha, my hairdresser. I'm gonna be her model today. So sit back and relax, guys. Girl lost, you know. Sasha have to leave out her workplace, come for me. Yeah? Nice girl. I saw it there. You lost your fanny. You know far she have to walk. Three, two, one. You better cross. If you not cross, you can't cross again. You gonna get bounced down. This is how my hair look now, before, and then I will show you after. They don't just put cream inside your ear, you know. Then base it first. You understand? And I broke in this, you know. Proper place, first place. I'm at a posh salon. That's again, but already. It's feel nice, you know. Like that. Then I go fix me today. This down here. Don't have no ear. She don't want my ear burn up. So she have to hurry up with my ear. My friend almost finished doing my ear. I'm saying my ear no good. Need treatment. Now she's smoothing in the cream in my hair. Like that, nice. Making sure all the residues are out. See, she now goes in the proper thing. Okay, thank you. So Sasha put one fancy something in my ear, so it will stop it from over processing. You don't know what she put in it, but the lady said stop it from over processing. So 5 minutes and then she will wash it off. Wash. You gotta scrub my head in now. Very relaxing. So, as you can see, girl, now no ear here, so it's gone. But I don't know. Sasha has a work on it. It's the second treatment. So, girl, what's on? This one a laugh for serious something this. just take towel and chop her head, you know. Towel have to wrap in a certain way. Things have to do a certain way. Sasha create a miracle, you understand? Because it's your week. So this is a miracle. So now I'm under the dryer. Girl, you're thin. And you know, girl, I use a cream it out and I do some something to it. So it get very thin. I will show you the final look when it's finished. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my video. Please remember to like and share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you. Big up my nice clean son will come for me. My son dropped me off and now my son come back for me.
Yeah.
Thank you, sonny boy.
No problem, no problem.
And you like mommy's hair?
Look good, man.
Yeah, it can work. I like it. Thank you, Sasha. So guys, I finished with my hairstyle. So my hairstyle is looking fresh, you know, in my natural state. No falls here or anything. Normally I would have put some hair up here, so but you know my hair I get very weak and it needs some treatment, so I just go roll with it like this. Not tell a lie, it can work. So big up Sasha, my hairstylist right now, and our workplace. They were very nice to me. Hype Salon, thank you for having me today. I was Sasha's model today, so I got a little pampering done. So people, Sasha hairdressing salon is not no place so you just come there go on with your foolishness. Me could have gone with myself. Me just have to just record certain little things and then leave town. New building and all these things. London today. So you have to go save some money to buy one of them new building. Yeah. I have to go save up your money, worker.
I don't know.
It's not you, I'm a pitney, yes. Don't follow them and do no
Sure.
speed limit for no 30 because that's not right.
Now, I realize man up on the road, me see. Let me see signs, look, see. So fuck on that one, you know.
Anyway, Sonny, I gotta leave me alone, you know, because every time I do my thing, you always are coming with your things. And I thought the things they bomb me, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna wear my hair like this. Stop wearing the, you know, the wig them. Unless me really I go out. So I'm gonna wrap my hair like this. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.